Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add business email ID in your YouTube channel. So sometimes when I see about the YouTube channel, then you will see in the bottom part there is an email, so it's the business inquiry. So maybe if you need a sponsor or if you need any uh, message from your audience, then you can give this email ID. So how can I add this? Okay, so simply go to youtube.com. You can use any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and after that you can see a profile icon right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and after that click here view your channel. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here you'll see the option customize channel. Click here, and after that you can see layout, branding and basic info under channel customization. So simply click here basic info and scroll down, then you can see the last option contact info. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. So it's all about for a sponsorship. So you just type so any Gmail, like your Gmail, you have to type your Gmail, and after that click here published. Okay, once you click publish, then you can go to channel. So if you click channel, then you will see, like you can see hello everyone, that simply click here and you can see the option view email address. Okay, so you can see I just add this email, so you can add. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.